Oh, this is a quick look at, little review of the SYMA 5-in-1 charger for your quadcopters, for your drones. These are the products that it's compatible for. Them ones there. And what you get inside here is the multi-adapter thing. So let's open this up. There we go. You get that. And a little wire. You will need some sort of USB adapter plug, or plug it into your computer or something, anything that takes that. So you get this, and this can charge 5 of your little quadcopter batteries at once. This will go in there, will go in there, and then you can either plug this into whatever you feel fit. I will just use a wall mount thing that goes in there, and then on your little adapter, this also comes with 4 batteries, and these batteries are 650 mAh batteries, and you're going to get 4 of these with it, and you're also going to get 1 with your quadcopter. So you've got 5 batteries in. There's 5 ports for your batteries. Stick these in here. They just clip in. They clip in very easily if you get it the right way around. Just literally clip in like that. Like I say, you get 5 of these little ports. They only go in one way, the batteries. I'm looking through the camera, so it's a little bit awkward getting it the right way. And there we go, there's another one in. And there's another one, and there is another port up the top, so you get 5 of these little ports, and they kind of just clip in. If you get it the right way around, they just clip in. There we go. So you're obviously going to get another one that comes with your quadcopter, and that's it, and it'll charge. So let's just plug it in. It says it takes about 45 minutes to charge them all. I've just got some notes here because my memory's not the best. Yeah, 45 minutes to charge them all, and that's basically it. The charger can charge 5 batteries at the same time. It's lightweight, durable, blah blah blah. Like I say again, that's what I put this at the bottom just so you can see what ones it's compatible with, and a link to where I bought this one. This is just the notes that I've printed off. This is the information for the batteries. Like I say, 650 mAh. Weight, if you want to know that. Quadcopter not included, helicopter not included. I think we knew that. But this kit in England, it's to set you back, ranges from about, say about £10, and you'll get this with 4 batteries. I'll plug this in, and the light should come on. So there's it plugged in there. As you can see, the lights are on. The 5th one's not on because I've not got one in there. The only thing I will say about it is the connections are a little loose. Not all of them, just some of them. You do have to fiddle around a little bit to get it in, and when it's in, it charges it. But if you knock this too much, it is going to fall out. As long as you keep it in place, it'll charge them lovely. So that's that.